It's your boy General 315, man. I'm back again. Another sneaker review video for y'all, and today we got the Yeezy 700s on deck. This time in a colorway that I really like. This is the high res blue colorway. Before I jump into the review, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the shoe, about the channel, anything. Let me know. Make sure you guys thumbs up the video, share the video, like the video, all those good things that everybody else says in their videos. Please do that here. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, where you'll see all the latest and greatest updates, reels page, everything. I got everything up there, things that I will do, things that I've done in the past. Make sure you guys follow me there. It's pretty cool. And also make sure you guys join us in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description. Again, the Discord link is in the description. Go ahead and follow us in that Discord. We have a really good community in there. We like to help people get kicks for Where the Cops and all of that. You guys can join us in there. We really help each other out and trade kicks and all of that other stuff. So make sure you guys join us there, all right? So this high-res blue colorway, I really like. I like this one better than the other blue pair. I can't remember what the name of the blue pair was. I think it was like True Blue or All Blue, something like that. But it had the orange outsole, and I like that shoe. Don't get it twisted. I do like that shoe. I just like the sun pair a little bit better, and definitely I like the amber colored pair. Those are probably my favorite of the orange outsole pair of shoes. So, but this one, the high res blue, this is what we should have got instead of that other blue pair. We should have got these. But anyway, you can find these on StockX and GOAT and all of that other stuff. I'm not gonna put prices on the screen. I'm pretty sure it's real close to retail. Just go on there, do your research, and then, you know, you guys can choose to spend your money how you want to spend it. You know what I'm saying? So jumping into this shoe real quick, this will be a quick review. We got an all blue shoe, you know what I'm saying? High res blue. Now this is one of two shoes. I believe there was a high res red colorway. I really wasn't feeling those. Not really my thing. I like red, don't get it twisted. Red's my favorite color, but definitely not an all red shoe. I don't like all red shoes on my feet. That's just, it doesn't look right to me, especially when they're patent leather. They look like clown shoes. But anyway, all blue upper, very nice. It's the same 700 silhouette that we're accustomed to seeing, so very nice. And really on this shoe, instead of having that orange, I guess, outsole, we have a blue outsole, which I think is pretty clean. I know the blues are different. It's not the same color blue. It really isn't. Jumping into this, we got that high-res blue on the upper. We got some nice leather right here, around the eyelets right here. And then they did something a little different with these. They put the infinity lacing system in here instead of just the standard laces there that they would have. They do offer those, though. If you don't like the infinity lacing system, they do have these laces that come with them, and that's pretty cool if you want to cut that off. Me personally, I'm not going to cut it off. I'll just leave it on there, but they do have those extra laces. Moving on, we have, instead of the gray reflective hits, we have some blue reflective hits, which I think is actually really creative. They didn't make it 3M with the normal gray that you would see, so I do like that. We do have the mesh netting right here, which has the 3M stripes underneath, so that still stays true. We have that felt-like material right here. There is that felt-like material, and it's cool. It's gonna get really ashy and filthy, like with lint and things like that as you wear the shoe, but you can just brush that right off. What I do like about these is they have like some like a light purple, like a light plum type of color right here on the toe box. You still got that nice suede right here, and it's got some good transition. That is still nice right there, and you still have that transition, but you do have this like really light lavender type plum color, and I do like that. I think that's cool. You do have some true blue vibes up in here, which I think is nice. It's kind of a purple, kind of a blue, so that's cool. I don't see a reflective hit here on the bottom right here of the tongue, but I think it is reflective, as well as on the upper tongue right there. I think that's reflective as well. We got some nice orange hits right here on the midsole, which I do like. And then we have a little bit more of that lavender, which this should be 3M right here, and I do like that. The heel of the shoe, we do have some reflective hits in the back, and then we have that nice black stripe right there, and the shape does look pretty good. Medial side of the shoe looks like the lateral side of the shoe. Nothing crazy. You know, these shoes are really comfortable, and it's real simple and plain. It's really a dad shoe, honestly, but definitely dope. Here's the tag that it comes with. These tags come on there. You know, everybody just cuts them off anyway. These just have standard tissue paper in them. We got our standard Ortholite insole right here with Adidas on the bottom. This is okay. It's not the craziest comfort. Really, you get the comfort for the boost in the shoe, but this is something thin that they just throw in there. I don't know if those numbers mean anything, but that's right there. There you go. There's the Ortholite. And then you can see the boost down in the shoe right there on the bottom in that little circle. There's the boost right there. Outsole of the shoe is nice and blue, pretty dope. You still got that boost coming through, and then you got that Adidas right there on the back of the heel as well. So very, very nice. So like I said, quick review, nothing crazy. The shoe is dope. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably go ahead and give these joints a solid 7. I like these better than the other blue pair. This pair definitely with black too, with black sweats or black jeans, these look super clean because they really pop a lot. So very, very nice with these. Construction and materials, everything feels the same. The suede is good, the leather is good, the shoe is true to size. It's very nice. This is a really comfortable shoe, and it's a nice colorway, very vibrant. I'm really liking this one. So that's all I got for this one, y'all. I hope this was informative for you. I hope this helps you make a decision. And, you know, we got more reviews to do. So y'all stay humble, y'all stay blessed. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.